Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing some amazing New Year Eve looks for you guys so you can, you know, switch it up, something fun. Today I am featuring this amazing celebrity makeup artist, Joe.
I'm a celebrity makeup artist here in Los Angeles, and I've
LA,
done
woo woo.
and I've done some pretty amazing clients. Of my list, I mean, it goes down the line. Just follow me on Instagram.
Just gonna hop right into it.
Stay tuned, guys.
We are done, and
thank you guys for tuning in. We hope you enjoyed this look, and it's perfect for like New Year's or going out on the town. And if you'd like to see more looks, then let us know in the comments below.
Like, subscribe, comment. That's it.
We'll see you next time.
Bye.